how to share someone's profile on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to share someone's profile on your Instagram story. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram application. And then once you're in the home screen, navigate to the profile that you want to share. So you can search for the profile, tap on it, and then on the top you'll see 3 dots. Now, after tapping on it, you'll see various options. Just tap on copy profile URL. Now, you can send this URL via email, WhatsApp, or even post it directly to your story. When someone clicks on that link, they'll be redirected to the profile. Now, what else can you do is tap on the 3 dots again and tap on QR code. And you'll get a QR code of this profile and you can share it and also copy the link. Now, if you want to share this profile directly to your story, then you can just tap on share this profile. This will bring up the story interface. Just click on the plus, add to story shine, and then there you go. This will bring up the story and you can customize it before posting it. And that's it. You've successfully shared someone's profile on your story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.